Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the text color. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button. If this is your first time in Droyo, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the text color in Droyo is a simple process that can improve your diagram's clarity and visual appeal in a lot of ways. Now, once you open the Droyo application in your computer or logged in to the website, I want you to click the forward or the format panel in the view section so you can have the option to view the tools right here. Click on the full screen, you would have an option to select the toolbox wherein you can access the flowchart symbols where you can add in as a part of your diagram. Now, if you haven't already, open the text formatting toolbar right here, type in text and press enter. If you wanted to add more text, if you click on more results, you would have all these. All right. But the thing is, I have already the text added here. If you have entered the text editing mode, click that and there should be an option on the right side panel wherein you can have the style. You obviously have the choice for the font color wherein just click the dropper icon here. If you do that, you would have an option to choose if any of the following colors to change your font here. All right. For example, I'm going to be choosing red. Click that and it will be changed to a red font color. Not only that, you can also add in a border color if you want, wherein if you wanted to add a dynamic entry here. All right. So let me hold that for one moment. For example, I'm going to be putting a different color for that, maybe like a pink. And you can increase the opacity and spacing. All right. Now, for example, this one, I'm going to try a different color. I'm going to click the font color right here, maybe something like a orange, light orange. Click on apply and I have all that. Now, if you notice, there is an option that says shadow. If you click that, you see there is an added shadow in the text, which makes it interactive and very colorful. And these steps should allow you to easily change the text color and make your diagram more visually appealing. All right? Because by changing the color for specific text, you can highlight important details or make a certain point standouts, drawing attention to critical information. In this case, I'm going to be choosing a different color, maybe something like resembles a green. Click on apply. You also have an option for the background color if you want and the line height. You can also insert options here if you wanted. Basically, that's how you change text color. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.